Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really cool little robot vacuum. This is a really lightweight and small vacuum, but it does have over 1600 psi of suction. I'm loving the fact that it's got the dual bristle design for edge cleaning that actually kind of stirs it and pulls it towards the middle vacuum part here. It's got a nice little flexible seal here to hug tightly to the ground and suck in that large opening that's there. Nice rotors there. And it's got a lot of nice sensors on this. But one of the cool things is this can run off of an app. So as you have your app here, very easy to connect into, and you can easily just go ahead and tell it to start cleaning, and it's going to go ahead and start cleaning. It just runs right away. It's going to find out where it needs to go, and then it's going to start cleaning in a typical pattern. It can go ahead and map out things. You can stop it, tell it what to do. It's going to use LiDAR and actually finds out where it is in a room. I'm going to kind of stop it here for a second. But as it's rolling around, sucking everything off the floor, one of the problems I always have with some of my other vacuums is the fact that it had a really small waste bin. This one actually has a really large, I'm going to show you this here. This is the filter that this has in the back here, but this actually has a very large waste capacity as far as the dry capacity there. So it actually can actually hold quite a bit of material in there, which is nice. And if you decide that you want to have mopping, you can actually do that too. So you fill up this back piece here with water. You don't have to have it run with the mop at all. A lot of people just want to have it run where it can go over carpet and everything too, but if you just have hard floors and you're wanting to switch it, maybe you want to just run a dining room, you can take this back part and fill it up with water here. It actually has water in there that runs off this mop piece on the bottom. It's already getting a little bit wet down there. And it just snaps right into the back of this guy. And now he can go ahead and mop and do that and vacuum at the same time. So then as he's walking around, it'll actually go ahead and mop and clean the floor up on that pad. The pad can come off. They send you with an extra one so that you can wash that. And the other nice part is that this thing can actually find its way back to a docking station. They provide you a docking station here, plugs into a standard 110 outlet, so that whenever it does need to recharge, he'll back his little self up over there and get himself charged up. So we've actually got some debris right there. I mean, it found the debris, it's gone over it, it's just working its way around, and it's just kind of, once it starts going, it's going to kind of try to find out what obstacles to avoid, what to try to make sure it can and can't go over, and it's going to start working itself out in a pattern. This would be a great little vacuum or mop that would make a great addition to anyone's home.